You can make serious money designing in Framer. Here's how. You can sell premium templates and keep 100% of the sale. Yep, all of it. On top of that, when that customer signs up for a paid plan, you get 50% of that revenue for the first year. And you can reach more people by creating free templates. And when they customize and upgrade, you get 50% of that revenue. Designing a new site for a client? Hand it off with a remix link and get 50% of that. Or simply share your love of Framer online with your own personal link and get paid just the same. And you can track everything through our new links tab, so you know exactly what's working. We're already paying out hundreds of thousands of dollars each month to creators just like you. So apply now and start earning at framer.com/creators.